Keep your truck bed clean and organized with in-the-ditch aluminum trash can mounts. These durable mounts are crafted from 1/8 inch thick aluminum, making them lightweight yet strong enough to handle daily use. Designed for easy installation, they feature pre-drilled mounting holes that align perfectly with the Pro Series toolboxes or any vertical surface. There are 2 choices, sold as each, that accommodate one 4-gallon or one 6-gallon trash can. Trash cans and bungee cords are not included. The overall dimensions of the 4-gallon mount is 14 1/4 inches long by 12 5/8 inches wide. The 6-gallon mount has overall dimensions of 14 11/16 inches long by 14 3/16 inches wide. These mounts offer a sleek, compact solution for managing waste on the job. Find these in-the-ditch aluminum car carrier trash can mounts by shopping toolboxes and storage on zips.com.